Hello, my beautiful people, near and far, all over the world. It's your girl Rosie. I'm in the kitchen and I'm just making some nice white basmati rice and some corned beef for my dinner. But I just want to share this video with you guys. So right here, I've got my corned beef. I've got some sweet corn, onions, bell peppers, and a bit of hot scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, look, it's looking really good. So feel free to try this out at home. And guys, I've already uploaded a video with the same recipe. I post it on my YouTube channel and it's also on my TikTok channel. So if you want to know exactly how I made this dish, and this only goes out for people who don't know exactly what to do, have a browse through my YouTube channel and you'll see this video. And my YouTube channel is Rosie's Kitchen and Natural Juice. I started off by making natural juices and then I decided to expand my channel and started doing a bit of everything. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and just stay tuned guys, and there'll be a lot more videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I really and truly appreciate and love each and every one of you. And I promise you guys, I will return back the favor by showing you the love also. Caring is sharing. So why not support each other and help each other channel to grow bigger and better. So guys, love you all and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye for now.